They put up a fight against South Africa.
Well, the whole of Moneyfield's just erupted.
Now for Uruguay. Coverage starts Friday, 3:30 on ITV.
You are now watching ITV. We have temporarily halted programming due to unforeseen events. Please remain seated, wait for further instructions, and remain calm at all times. A small glowing object has been seen hovering closer and closer towards the Earth's atmosphere. This object has been confirmed by NASA to be extraterrestrial life. At the moment, scientists are doing everything they can to further identify this unknown life form. However, it is believed to be an advanced spacecraft beyond our imagination. During these unknown times, we highly suggest you lock any possible entrances to your home and stay indoors until you're instructed to not do so. For I firmly believe that what is out there has no malicious intentions whatsoever, but we must do everything we can to ensure our safety. Please stay tuned for further updates. We have some more information for you. Unfortunately, the worst has come to light. It has been proven that the spacecraft has malicious intentions and is now currently targeting the planet with some sort of high-temperature beam. It is highly believed that the planet will be entirely destroyed within the next few minutes, and there will be no way of avoiding it. We do not have any time for any goodbyes, so this will be our final broadcast. We will sign off for the last time with God Save the Queen.